On behalf of my paramount chief, Togbiga Bina Lalubi VI, chiefs, queen mothers, and the good people of Ziope traditional area, and my own behalf. Kono Chairman, the fact that Agbleza has attained the status of a well-organized and patronized festival in the Volta region cannot be overemphasized. This is the rich cultural heritage of the people of the Ziope traditional area in peace and unity of purpose. Kono Chairman, we wish to acknowledge the dynamism of our kids and queen mothers who collaborated with many prominent citizens of Ziope traditional area to promote Agbleza, which is now a household name all over the country, Ghana. The pioneering roles played by these visionary men and women deserves to be acknowledged and documented. It is not for nothing that it is said that a nation or a community that does not honor its heroes is not worth dying for. Kono Chairman, the main objective of Agbleza Festival include fostering of unity among the people of Ziope traditional area, championing the development agenda of our people, and maintaining farming of our traditional crops known for us. It is against this background that the aptness of our theme for this year's celebration is consolidating the gains of farming towards our development. That is our theme for this celebration. It is very appropriate and relevant to our aspiration as a people. The theme brings into sharp focus the need for a holistic approach to the development of our traditional area. Kono Chairman, our Deputy Minister of Agri, we have utilized judiciously the fund we generated over the years for many projects. This year, we are celebrating Agbleza to complete an apartment building to accommodate at least 3 staff of the Ziope Health Center. We hope that our distinguished guests and the good people of Ghana will support us to complete the construction of the bungalow as soon as practicable. The benefits we stand to derive from the implementation of this project are enormous, since it has the potential of transforming the lives of the people of the Ziope traditional area in particular, and the nation as a whole. Kono Chairman, in spite of many achievements we have chalked in the celebration of Agbleza since its inception, our farmers continue to face a lot of challenges. I want to repeat that paragraph. Kono Chairman, in spite of the many achievements we have chalked in the celebration of Agbleza since its inception, our farmers in Ziope traditional area continue to face a lot of challenges. The sorry state of our road network, coupled with a serious lack of small dams and dugouts, discourage our farmers from optimizing their production of crops like cassava, maize, and vegetables like okra, tomatoes, etc. It is in this vein that we wish to renew our appeal to the government to establish a tomatoes factory in our traditional area. And may I take this opportunity to assure the Honorable Deputy Minister of Food and Agriculture that Ziope traditional area is ready with the parcel of land and prepared for such an initiative. Kono Chairman, it is said that for lack of knowledge, my people perish. We have taken this from the quotation of Hosea chapter 4, verse 1. If a society